package installation. Open After Effects and go to Window Extensions EasyEdit Viewer. Go to Install Files for After Effects folder, and find Installer file. To install package, go to Dashboard and click Select Install File or Plus. Enter your email and purchase code. Done. Now you can use all presets from the package. How to install fonts. Open Fontbook. Select the font files you need to install and drag them to the Fontbook window. You're done. Quick overview. The project files are divided into 23 categories for your convenience. Minimal Titles is a package of ready-made titles and typographic compositions, which you can alter and combine to your preference. Lower Thirds is a package of graphic overlays superimposed onto the lower section of a screen in order to provide a reference to the audience. Information often includes the speaker's name and their profession, or even a situation and location to provide context to the viewer. Quotes is a collection of neatly organized text layouts for various sayings, citations, and quotations. Sale is a package of different sale banners. Callouts is a set of compositions which are used to illustrate special features on a screen. For example, to point out details in a technical drawing, show a location, describe something, or to attract attention. Digital is a collection of various technology-related titles. Glitch is a collection of titles with different glitch and distortion effects. Kinetic is a stylish collection of avant-garde design titles. Liquid is a collection of distorted and psychedelic titles. Ready Scenes is a collection of ready-made compositions. Color is a collection of bright, neon color titles. Fashion is a collection of fashion and beauty industry-related titles. Use it to promote your clothing brand, showcase a new collection, or a lookbook. Sports is a collection of sport-related titles. Cinematic is a collection of different cinema-related titles. You can use it for a music video, movie, trailer, or a short film opening. Countdowns is a collection of various meters, timers, clocks, and countdowns. Stomps is a collection of short, dynamic titles. It is divided into 3 subcategories: animated by a character, word or line. Details is a collection of typographic details. Use it to add a bit of spice to your design. Viewfinders is a collection of different camera viewfinders. It is divided into horizontal and vertical subcategories. Backgrounds is a set of various backgrounds divided into 5 subcategories: light gradients, dark gradients, light shapes, tinted shapes, and dark shapes. Import, resize, and time controls. Let's create a new composition. Click Composition, New Composition. Great. Now, let's set our comp's width to 3840 px and height to 2160 px. Finished with this. Go to EasyEdit Viewer and select Titles Pro. Choose the shot you like and click Import. Done with it. To resize the composition, go to Composition Settings and set the desired dimensions. The composition will automatically change its size. To change the duration of the comp, just drag the in and out markers. Great. Finished with this. Customization. In EG panel, you can customize and configure the main parameters. You can change text, position and scale of the elements. And also the colors all to your liking. Let's try adding content. We'll use EasyEdit Assets to find the desired content. Go to EasyEdit Assets. Select the type of media you'd like to find. Click on the search bar and type in the keyword phrase. You can specify the download destination, if you like. By default, all the content will be added to your project automatically. Customize your content if you like. Callouts. Choose the callout you like and click Import. To change the duration of the comp, just drag the in and out markers. Let's try to edit and track our callout. Now, let's track our footage. Right-click on a footage layer, and go to Track and Stabilize. Track Motion. A tracker panel will appear, and the footage will open in the Layer Preview window. Now, let's go to the start of our footage and set up the tracking point. Note that the tracking point should be placed in the spot of high contrast, between the white and dark pixels. Let's zoom in our footage with a mouse scroll, and find such a spot. This one looks good. Now, select the tracking point and place it into the spot. To do so, click on the tracking point in the area between its inner and outer bounds, like so. Click and drag the tracking point into the spot of high contrast. In the tracker panel, press on the play button in the Analyze menu. You can track the footage either forwards or backwards, depending on your needs. When the tracking is done, select your footage on the timeline and hit U on the keyboard. As you can see, After Effects has created a bunch of keyframes. Each keyframe corresponds to the position of the tracking point in particular time. We can map or attach any external layers or compositions properties to these keyframes. Let's see how to do this. Let's switch to the composition view in the preview window. First, select the callout and change its anchor point. To do this, press Y on the keyboard and select the anchor point tool. Click and drag the anchor point and place it to the starting point of the callout, like so. Then, hit V on the keyboard and select the Move tool. Click and drag the callout layer to reposition it like so. Now let's open the transform menu of the callout layer. Select the position property and Alt plus click on it. The expression editing menu will appear. Now, grab a pick whip of the position property and click plus drag it to the feature center of the track point. To exit the expression editing menu, just click on the empty space on the timeline. And we're done. Good job. Countdowns. Create new composition. Let's make it 4K. Choose the shot you like and click import. Now, let's go to the Essential Graphics panel and set up our countdown. Inside the main config menu, we can configure our timer. Let's set up custom time. The speed parameter controls the countdown. By default, it is set to +1 value, which means that the timer will count from the set time upwards with real-time speed. A second in the composition equals a real-time second. We can increase the count speed by setting a higher value. Now you can see that the timer runs much faster. You can use this effect for a time lapse, for example. To reverse the countdown, let's say you want to count from the set time to 0, just put a negative number into the speed control. Now we see that our timer counts downwards. If you wish to freeze the timer, put a 0 into the speed parameter. Done with it. Combinations of elements. You can mix and match different elements to achieve interesting combinations and save time. Let's get into it. Create a new comp. Let's make it 4K. Now, let's choose some titles. Great. Now, let's add some background. It already looks nice. But something's missing. Let's add some spice by adding a bit of detail. Now we're talking. These tools allow for numerous results and match perfectly with each other. So, take your work to the next level. Experiment and have fun. See you in the next update. Vector files. We've included static vector files into the pack. You can use them to create your own graphics or animation. These files are divided into 23 categories, same as motion templates. In each category there's a preview folder and vector files. Now, let's create some graphics. Open Adobe Illustrator. Choose the shot you like and import it into Illustrator. The titles are colored in white so it's easier to import them into After Effects or Premiere Pro. Since the canvas color there is black, press Command or Ctrl+Y to enter the outline view. Now, we can select our elements. Select the elements and press Command or Ctrl+Y to exit the outline view. Let's change the colors and alter our text. Great. Now, let's add some background. Let's add some nice gradient. We'll choose one from our pack. Let's open the file and copy it to our project. Looks good, but something's missing. Let's add some details. Now, we're done. Good job. Vector files can also be used to create custom animation. Let's get into it. First, open After Effects. Choose the shot you like and import it into After Effects. In the pop-up window choose Composition Footage Dimensions, Layer Size. Go inside the composition that you've just created. Now select the IE layer and press Command or Ctrl+E. This file will now open in Illustrator. Press Command or Ctrl+Y to enter the outline view. Double-click on the text layer and select the text. Copy text. Now go back to After Effects and press Command or Ctrl+T to select Horizontal Text tool. Click on the empty canvas and paste the text. Hit V to select the Move tool. Select the text and position it as in the reference. Now, select the IE layer in on the timeline and right-click on it. A pop-up menu will appear. Select Create Shapes from Vector Layer. As you can see, a native After Effects shape line has appeared. Let's rename this layer to Line, and delete the IE layer since we don't need it anymore. Now you can start animating. You can animate this composition with standard After Effects tools. But if you have our Presets Pro pack you can create animation in a few clicks. Let's see how to do this. Open EasyEdit Viewer and select Presets Pro. Select the text layer. Now, let's browse through some presets and choose the one we like. With the text layer selected, click on a desired preset to apply it to the layer. Great! We have an animation. If you wish to make changes, you can customize the preset in the Effect Controls menu. Or you can apply another preset without affecting the design. To do so, just select the text layer again, choose preset you like, and reapply it to the layer. The presets are divided into text and animation categories. Text presets can only be applied to text layers, animation presets can be applied to any layer. You can combine text and animation presets on the same text layer to achieve interesting combinations. You can also reapply any given preset if you like.